My wife is upset with me because I lost her audiobook. Now I'll never hear the end of it. Comedy gold right there, sunshine. So it all came up with an idea. I love my dad jokes and I just wanted to express my love of groans. So it all started off with me putting a post-it note on the window and putting the mocap suit on. I also used a custom mocap helmet suit with a GoPro Hero 5 for the facial mocap. And so whilst wearing this entire getup, you could see that I was actually talking to the window. I actually wrote the jokes on a post-it note so I could have eye contact, because talking to yourself is a bit weird. Then created some characters in Character Creator 4, brought the characters over into iClone, and one of the best features was implemented. Oh. Click, export mocap data, import mocap data. And with that, I applied the animation straight to the character. Now for the facial motion stuff, little hack. I was on the local game developer Facebook group talking to people, and the guy said, just record your screen with an iPhone. And so I did. And facial animation came out. It worked. Hence why I used the Hero and not an iPhone on the front of my face, because... Drink. Okay. And I primarily did all my work here in iClone because iClone has a better tool for animating. I didn't actually touch Blender in this project. And once all the animations were down packed in iClone, I stopped, left it there, and jumped over into Unreal Engine 4. So for quite some time now, I have been downloading free asset packs with Unreal Engine 4, which I was making videos to remind you guys, but nobody cared, so... And there is literally an Omniverse connector for Unreal Engine 4, so I selected the whole scene, export. Not recommended, just saying. From here, I also exported a USD format from iClone, merged the two files in Omniverse, and 16 hours of rendering. But it looks... Could it be better? Absolutely. Turn up those samples. But for the amount of views that it has, I'm fairly happy with the result. And if you haven't seen it, go watch it. Go subscribe. By the way, might be a good chance I'm on Twitch. Link in the description.